Hello everyone. We have built an application that lets you chat with your datasets, do some analysis, and draw pretty graphs. So I just wanted to give a short demo of the abilities. So I wanted to start with uploading a dataset. We have a dummy dataset of people going to a gym. We have information such as their demographic data, their age, gender, uh, name, the address, and then their workout details such as their workout duration, how much calories do they burn, how many times do they come in a month. So I wanted to show some of the features of this application. So I wanted to start by analyzing this data set. So let's begin with finding out the most popular exercises. I wanted to know which exercises are the most popular so that I could buy the necessary equipment. So that's the prompt I'm giving right now. Tell me which is the most popular exercise, and also draw a graph so that I know uh, which equipment to buy and which equipment to sort of not buy and sell. So as you can see, it generates a Python code that it then executes inside the application. Uh, you can hide the code if that's not necessary for you, but after some time, as you can see, it showed me that the deadlift is the most common exercise. Did not think about that, but and it draw a really pretty graph for me where I can see that the deadlift is the most popular one, and basically no one is essentially using the cycles. I can also use this application to sort of change the settings, or like format my graph. So like right now I'm asking it to change the color to red. So what it can do is it can immediately change the color to red, increase the font size, decrease the font size, add a legend, and all the stuff that you can do in Excel basically. But that's not all that this app can do. This app can do some powerful machine learning functions as well. So for the next part, I want to show some of those features. So I want to find out the correlation between the workout duration and calories burned. So I want to see how long a person works for and how many calories do they end up burning. So the best method for this is essentially a regression method. So I will ask my application to do a regression analysis on these two variables and also generate a scatter plot for the same. Now, because these two are sort of continuous variables, the best method to do is ordinary least square regression. And this application essentially decides on itself to do that. Oops, I think we've had some mistake over here. We can see that all the results are essentially nans, or there has been some mistake with the data set. Why are we getting this type of result? Wait, I think it is because the data set is not clean. We uploaded a dirty data set with loads of missing values in it. So I can also ask this application to sort of clean the data set, drop all the missing values, and run this analysis again. And what this app will do is it will clean the data set. It will also make the decision on what is the appropriate machine learning method for these variables. And it will generate all these beautiful numbers that you can see in front of you that you can use for your thesis or any other data analysis that you're doing at the moment. Another thing we're focusing on is transparency and openness, which is why we always display the code that the app has used to generate these analysis. You can also edit the code inside the code editor and sort of customize your graphs and analysis that way as well. And as you can see, it's also generated a beautiful scatter plot showing a regression line. Apparently, it doesn't matter how long you work for, the association is all over the place. So there's no clear trend line you can see over here. But you can also ask it to modify this data set. So as you can see, I've asked it to make this graph a bit more deeper blue, the dots. So it has done that change, and it's also changed the color of the trend line to a red color. And you can do a lot of different formatting like this. We also have a save feature, so you can save this image as a PNG on your local machine and use it wherever you wish. And you can also copy paste the code that's been used to generate this output. So we hope this helps you streamline your efforts in your research endeavors. And please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to have a chat with you. Let us know of all the bugs and everything you enjoyed with the app. Thank you.